Hi everyone, this is EMP, Electromagnetic Precursors for Earthquakes. So it's been a long time since I've done a video, been really busy with work and things, so I thought I'd do one on the magnitude 8.1 earthquake, which I'm sure you all heard about in Mexico on September the 8th. And as you can see, on the 8th we definitely had significant ionospheric charging, to say the least, and it was worrying to watch. As always, red and white, especially the white, which is extreme ionospheric charging. And then also on the 5th was another huge precursor here, so the black is extreme ionospheric charging as well. So I warned multiple times to watch these areas, as always, and for good reason. And looking at the gamma rays hitting the ionosphere, you can see since September the 4th, and especially on the 5th, before the ionospheric charging on the 6th, on the 5th. So pretty big spike there, and then just a monster on the 5th, and on the 6th again. And remember, when we look at all these huge gamma ray spikes, or dielectric discharges as I like to say, they don't really come into effect until you see significant solar solar induction, which we're looking at here on the electrojet index, and this is on September the 4th. And moving forward to the 5th, 6th, and then the geomagnetic storm, which started on the 7th. And you can see it spiking off the chart here just before the earthquake on the 8th now. Magnitude 8.1 in Mexico was on the 8th at 4:49 Universal Time. So back to the electrojet index, you can see this is just at the end of the day on the 7th. And then on the 8th, another huge spike there, just hours before the earthquake, about there, just before 0500 Universal Time. And looking at Mexico's magnetometer, which shows the effects of the gamma rays and then the solar induction, you can see that we had a data loss there, so it was probably another big disruption after that there, and then another big huge one when the electrojet index lit up on the 7th, right there. And then on the 8th there was another significant magnetic disturbance on the magnetometer again, just after the electrojet went off the chart again on the 8th there. So multiple huge EMPs for this earthquake. As I said before, you almost always have multiple EMPs for the large earthquakes. That just makes complete logical sense. So one last thing I wanted to show you, which was interesting. There was some significant spike there for the cosmic rays. This is Mexico's neutron monitor at about 6:20 Universal Time on the 6th. But then just before the earthquake hit and then we had the geomagnetic storm start, we had a loss in neutron data, so that was most likely a big huge spike there, and that was the same time as, like I said, the geomagnetic storm, as you can see right here, just flew off the chart all the way to, I think, about a KP8, and that's when you have the data loss there, like I've said before, it's usually indicating that the neutron monitor basically got overloaded, and that's why we're seeing the data drops. There was probably a huge spike there. So anyways, that's it for now. This is EMP, Electromagnetic Precursors for Earthquakes, signing off. Thanks for watching. Take care.